No exercising, no dieting, thus drinking this drink helps burn fat and lose weight quickly. Is being overweight okay? The worst thing is that being overweight can lead to a high rate of getting lots of fatal illnesses such as high blood pressure, cardio, dyslipidemia, and even cancer. If you are feeling impotent against weight loss, we will give you a straightforward recipe, a powerful homemade drink to lose weight and lose belly fat quickly without any diets or exercises. No chemicals, no negative effects, natural ingredients. Good for your health is what this drink brings to you. In the first step, you need to prepare one medium-sized cucumber. Then, cut it into small pieces. You can remove its skin if you are not sure your cucumber is organic. Cucumbers are 80% of water, and a medium-sized pale cucumber has that 24 calories. One of the reasons you gain weight is because you have a calorie food for the whole day. Therefore, there is a simple rule that if you cut down on your calories, it will help you reduce the extra kilos. Cucumbers have a low calorie density, so you can eat a lot without getting fat. Apart from this, the water content present in them can aid weight loss too. According to a study published in a magazine called Nutrients, eating foods with high water and low calorie contents is linked to a significant decrease in body weight. The next ingredient is 4 grams of ginger. Cut it into thin slices. Consuming ginger will do wonders for your metabolism and digestion. Digestion and weight loss are very closely interlinked. Poor digestion can lead to weight gain as we are not able to absorb and assimilate our nutrients properly. This may lead to slowing down the metabolic rate, leading to hard to lose weight. Now, pour all cucumber slices and ginger slices into a saucepan that contains 750 milliliters of water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds can help in burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. When you have a healthy digestive system and a faster metabolism, you will automatically lose weight. Finally, add 3 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon can help boost metabolism and improve insulin function, thereby aiding in weight loss. Moreover, cinnamon can help you get past food cravings by giving you a feeling of fullness and satiety. Most health benefits of cinnamon are believed to come from cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in the spice, which also gives it its flavor. Now, cook this mixture with a large heat until boiling. Once the mixture boils, reduce the heat and cook until it's only enough for 2 cups, equivalent to 500 milliliters. Turn off the stove after this time and strain the water of this mixture into a cup. Now, you can stop obsessing about your body, relax, and enjoy this effective weight loss drink. Use this drink on an empty stomach 1 hour before your breakfast. For the most efficient and permanent result, use this drink daily and a slim body becomes too.